Stefan, what are you doing?
I am fixing a fuck up. So our liners are the wrong liners and they're leaking. This liners is for earth dams, and we're not having earth dams here. So we're gonna return these. They're gonna subtract the lengths that we've cut and wasted, and then we're gonna replace them with fitted liners of the same material as our fish tanks, which is gonna look freaking amazing. But yeah, this is a bit of a pain in the gut, because now we have to drain all the beds, but it doesn't matter because we can move the water into the fish dams. So, but yeah, we're getting better liners.
We're getting better liners.
They're gonna look pretty and nice and super cool.
They are actually. It's gonna
These
be
were gonna
fitted.
be just fine if they didn't leak.
If they
leak.
worked, it would have been
Yeah.
fine, but they don't work. So now we're gonna have to go for the nicer, expensive option. Wow,
This is more expensive though.
This?
No, the ones we're gonna get.
Yeah,
So
no,
we're
it's
gonna
more
have to pay
pricey.
in. So yeah, I sort of blame them as well.
They
Inexperience.
should have told
of-
us. They should have told us.
They knew we were doing aquaponics. I told them we were doing aquaponics.
Yeah, and they were like, "Here's a dam liner. Good luck."
Alright, okay, cool. Yeah, but we knew better.
Yeah.
So.
In a way, it was a good move on their
We
part. They have a returning customer.
Yeah, they sorting us
So
out. So,
they're solid people, at least.
yeah, but yeah, now we 8 o'clock at night, draining the water out of the beds, folding the liners. Fun times, and it's fucking clay.
Oh man.
It's wet, it's rainy, it's
Look at this.
clay.
Look at
You
this.
look-
Okay, this was flat, right? But then this chunk just came out. Okay, it's hard to see. That chunk just came out, and it's here. It's sitting on my fucking shoe. Stefan was smart. He went with gumboots, yo. It's,
I'm like 2 meters 10 at the moment.
I'm 1.9. Yo, we should sign up for basketball.
Oh shit, yo.
Basketball.
New shoes,
Yeah,
mud profile.
Shit, you're gonna have to play basketball like Spice Girls.
Right now, that shit.
Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. So tell me what you